Struggling with endless spreadsheets? Wish you could work faster and smarter in Excel? The 1,000 plus Excel templates bundle is here to change the game. From budgeting and financial planning to project management and data analysis, this bundle covers it all. Imagine having access to expertly designed templates for every business and personal need. Ready to use, fully customizable, and built to save you time. Need to organize your finances? No problem. Our financial templates make complex calculations a breeze. Want to streamline project management? Our Gantt charts, timelines, and task trackers keep everything on schedule and under control. Data analysis can be daunting, but not with our templates. Quickly visualize your data with professional dashboards and pivot tables that turn raw numbers into actionable insights. And if you're in marketing, our ROI calculators and campaign planners are perfect for tracking performance and maximizing impact. Each template is crafted by experts, ensuring you get top-notch quality and reliability. Plus, they're incredibly easy to customize, so you can tailor them to fit your specific needs without any hassle. Why settle for basic, time-consuming spreadsheets when you can have a toolkit that boosts your productivity and efficiency? Thousands of professionals trust our templates to get the job done, faster, better, and smarter. Join the Excel revolution today with over 1,000 full customizable Excel templates bundle. Elevate your work, impress your clients, and reclaim your time.